Here's my best practices for backups. For a typical brochure website, we do a full site backup once a day. Now, I realize for some of you that might be a lot, and you don't have to follow this. I want a daily full site backup, and I don't want to do something like a database backup every day with a full backup every week or whatever. And here's why. Because if something happens and the site goes down, I don't want to have to cobble together, okay, I got to go find the full backup, now I got to go find the latest database backup. I just want to restore the backup. And that's why I do a daily full site backup. Now, my server hardware is beefy enough to support that. And so a lot of times you'll see some recommendations about just doing a database backup every day. Nothing wrong with that, but if your server has the hardware to pull off a full backup, that's what I do. And so I'll then send that off-site to iThemes Sync or another cloud storage, and I'll keep typically 30 days of archives. Now, we've actually just started, we've moved over to Dropbox to store some of our backups, and here's a little nugget for you. If you're using Dropbox to store your backups and you're using one of the business plans, I think it's like $100 a year, or no, it's $199 a year, I think, for many terabytes, like 2 terabytes of crazy number of terabytes of storage. I forget the numbers. I'm making that up. It's probably something like that. Anyway, my point is it keeps 6 months of deleted files, which means now I can roll back and go back 6 months of deleted backups to find backups. So it's really cool. And so we're actually starting to use that now for client backups. Pretty nifty. And BackupBuddy connects directly to Dropbox. So anyway, that's what we do for typical brochure websites.